Hey there, busy cooks! Today, I'm showing you how to whip up a delicious and easy one-pan lemon herb roasted chicken and veggies. Perfect for a quick and healthy weeknight dinner. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at our ingredients. We have 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 lemon, 1 pound of baby potatoes, a cup of cherry tomatoes, a handful of green beans, some fresh rosemary and thyme, olive oil, salt, and pepper. All right, let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees or 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven's heating up, let's get our veggies prepped. Chop the baby potatoes in half, trim the ends off the green beans, and have those cherry tomatoes. Quick and easy, right? Next, let's get the chicken ready. Season the thighs with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of that fresh rosemary and thyme. Don't be shy with the herbs. They add so much flavor. Now drizzle some olive oil over the chicken and give it a good rub to get all those flavors in. Time to get everything on the pan. Grab a large baking sheet and arrange your seasoned chicken in the center. Surround it with the baby potatoes, cherry tomatoes, and green beans. Drizzle a bit more olive oil over the veggies and give them a good toss. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over everything and then tuck the lemon halves onto the pan. Trust me, this makes the flavor pop. Now, pop that pan into your preheated oven. Let it bake for 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender and golden. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. While we wait, let's talk variations. If you're not a fan of chicken thighs, you can easily swap them out for chicken breasts or even tofu for a vegetarian option. And feel free to mix up the veggies with whatever you have on hand. Bell peppers, zucchini, or carrots would all be great additions. All right, our timer just went off. Carefully pull that pan out of the oven and take a moment to admire your handiwork. Everything is perfectly roasted and packed with flavor. Time to plate up. Serve the chicken and veggies on a plate. And don't forget to spoon some of those delicious pan juices over the top. For a final touch, sprinkle some fresh parsley or a bit of lemon zest. And there you have it, a beautiful, healthy, and downright delicious one-pan lemon herb roasted chicken dinner. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our delicious and easy recipes. Happy cooking!